This is how I'm able to use my TCL TV here, as you can see, as my computer monitor. It's actually pretty cool because basically what you have to do is that you have to go to your computer here and then find the Windows logo here and also find the K button and click on those two at the same time. So I'm just going to click on the Windows and K button here. And then you should be able to see this available displays here, as you can see. So my TCL TV is called the Living Room TV for some reason. So I'm just going to click on it. And it says waiting for screen here, as you can see. So we're just going to wait for it to connect. And perfect. You can see now what is showing on my computer is also showing on my TCL TV. And once again, it is a TCL TV here, as you can see. So now if I move whatever, you can see here, and I don't know if it's possible to see that well, to be fair, but let's see if I want to be able to go to search here. And you can see, yeah, it's possible. It's basically the exact same thing that I'm showing here. I'm able to show my TV as well. So basically that is exactly how to do this.